The Samsung Galaxy A36, paired with One UI 7, offers an outstanding combination of hardware and software that creates an exceptionally smooth and enjoyable user experience. The Galaxy A36 is designed to deliver reliable performance, with a capable processor and ample RAM that handle multitasking, gaming, and everyday tasks with ease. When combined with the refined One UI 7, the phone feels more polished and responsive than ever. One UI 7's focus on user-centric design ensures that navigation is intuitive, with thoughtful touches like smoother animations, redesigned widgets, and an even more customizable home screen. One of the standout features of this combination is the improved multitasking capabilities, allowing users to seamlessly switch between apps or even use multiple apps side by side without any lag. The interface is tailored to prioritize efficiency, with smarter notifications, deeper integration of device controls, and quicker access to frequently used apps and settings. Enhanced privacy features and better resource management mean the device runs efficiently while protecting user data. Additionally, the optimized battery management in One UI 7 works in harmony with the hardware of the Galaxy A36, extending battery life and ensuring users can get through their day without worrying about frequent recharges. The updated design elements, such as dynamic color palettes and subtle UI tweaks, bring a premium feel to the device, making it look and feel as good as high-end flagships. Together, the Galaxy A36 and One UI 7 elevate the mid-range smartphone experience, providing a combination of power, style, and user-friendly innovation that is hard to beat in this segment.